Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good at your places and taking care of yourself. Students, this is Priyanka here and once again I am back with the video of English Mulberry of class 2. Students, in our previous video I have given you the explanation of chapter number 4, that was I was walking down the road. I hope you all have read that chapter very well and understood the story of that chapter. So in this video we are going to move on to the exercises as well as the question answers. So students, without any delay, you all are requested to take out your Mulberry book as well as your classwork notebook. So students, open page number 55 and look at the very first exercise of this chapter, that is making connections. Quick answer. So look at the first one. Here are the pictures of some animals that the girl caught. Match the animals to the places where the girl found them. So students, here are some pictures of animals. As we can see, 4 pictures of animals. So we are supposed to match the animals to the places where the girl found them. So first picture is of a snail. So where she found the snail? She found the snail on her shoe. Okay, the next picture is of a toad. So where she found toad? She found toad on the road. So we will match toad picture on the road. Next picture is of a mouse, and where she found mouse? She found mouse in a room. And the last picture is of a sparrow, and where she found a sparrow? On a flower. So you do this exercise. Now come to the next one. What did the girl use to catch these animals? So a butterfly, he used a net. Okay. The bunny used carrot. And the last is the sparrow. It is a wheelbarrow. Okay. So you do this work in your book only. Now come to the next exercise, that is also on the same page, reference to context. So first is, I was looking at the sky, then I saw a butterfly. So the first question that is related to this line is, when did the girl see the butterfly? So the answer would be, the girl saw the butterfly when she was looking at the sky. Number B, where did she put the butterfly? Answer would be, she put the butterfly in a cage. Number C, the word sky and butterfly rhyme. Write 2 more rhyming pairs from the text. So it is road and toad, rug and bug. Students, this work you are supposed to write in your classwork notebook. Now come to the fourth one. I was looking at my pets, then I saw them look at me. First question related to this line is, how many pets did the girl have? Answer would be, the girl had 7 pets. Number B, do you think the pets looked happy? Answer, no, the pets did not look happy. Because they were all in cage now, that's why they were not happy at all. So answer would be no, the pets did not look happy. Now C is, how did the girl feel when she looked at her pets? The girl felt sad when she looked at her pets. Now students, you turn the page and come on page number 56, and some more question answers have been given here, that is read, reflect and write. This work also you are supposed to write in your notebook. Question number 5 is, why do you think the girl put all the animals in cages? So answer would be, the girl put all the animals in cages so that she could have them with her all the time. Once again, the girl put all the animals in cages so that she could have them with her all the time. Question number 6 is, look at the last picture of the girl. What is she doing in this picture? So answer would be, in the last picture, the girl is setting the animals free. So students, all these question answers you are supposed to write in your notebook. Now come to the word wall, that is also on the same page. See, here are some jumbled words of things you saw and read about in the text. Read the clues and unscramble the words. We walk on it. So we are supposed to unscramble means rearrange these words. So it would be road. We walk on it, that is road. White and blue, it is sky. The postman puts mail in it. It is letterbox. We use it to sweep a room, and it would be broom. So you rearrange the spellings of these words. This exercise you are supposed to write in book itself. Now come to the next page, that is page number 57. So open page number 57 and look at the action words. Students, here some action words have been given. Okay, and that is in the past tense. And what is past tense? Means past tense shows us action that happened in the past. We usually add d or ed to an action word to indicate the past tense. Like some example is given here. First, chase, and the past tense of chase would be chased. Then dance, it is danced. Laugh, laughed. Then color, it is colored. Then give, gave. Come, came. Go, went. And drink, it is drunk. Now come to the exercise that is related to the action word. In each group, circle the correct action word. So look at the first one, break, broke or broke. So broke is correct, so we will do the circle over it. In the next one is bite, bited or bit. Past tense of bite is bit. Then next, take, past tense of take is took. Then fall, it is fell. Then throw, it is threw. And then run, it is ran. So you do the circle over here. Now turn the page. No, on the same page one more exercise is there. Let's do it. So look at this one. What did Peter do yesterday? Use the picture clue to write their actions. So the first is here, Peter drew. In the next one, Peter ate. Then Peter wrote. Then here Peter sang. And the last is Peter read. So this exercise also you are supposed to write in your book itself. No need to write anything in notebook. Now turn the page. So open page number 58 and here we will read about did plus not. So we use the simple form of action words with did not. Like I did not wake up early means we will write the simple form, that is wake, not woke. Okay, to make it negative. So read the sentences. I picked it up. I did not pick it up. I saw a mouse. I did not see a mouse. I caught it. I did not catch it. Means when we will use did plus not, we are supposed to use the simple form of the action word, not the second form. Okay, not the past tense. Now students, come to the exercise that is related with did not. So let's do it. Complete the sentences using did not. So the first is play. We played yesterday. So the negative would be we did not play yesterday. Next, the dog barked. Answer would be the dog did not bark. We went to the fair. We did not go to the fair. Mia saw a clown at the circus. Mia did not see a clown at the circus. Next, the baby ate the porridge. The baby did not eat the porridge. Means when we will use did not in a sentence, we will use only simple form, not the past form, not the second form. So students, I hope all the exercises and question answers are clear to you. Now do this work in your notebook and your book. Complete your work, read this chapter carefully and learn all the exercises. Now I'm going to stop my video. I'll meet you in my next video again. Till then, take care. Bye bye.